got the video?
As soon as it hits the end of it.
Oh!
Okay.
There you go.
You got him? Keep it tight. Nope, you lost him. No, I still got him right here. Oh, I lost him.
Oh my God. Yep. Oh.
Hard. I did.
He's taking it. Yep. Keep it tight. Oh, you lost him again. Yeah, I know. There's no hook on the hook.
This is like the 6th one. Fucking barb. Hold that. God damn it. That's why you're fucking losing the fish. What is that? No barb on there. Fucking hook's worn out.
Jesus. Yep. Attaboy, Bob.
Just grab the line and just pull it this way. Pull him right up here on the bank.
He's gone.
What?
No way.
He broke. Huh?
Are you kidding me?
No, the hook's there. God dang it.
Bring him home.
All right, there we go. Get that net. Don't let this one get away.
He's milking it. That's my call.
He has his pliers.
I know. Seen that move before? I do want to get this one.
Yeah. Don't put the blame on me.
I know more than pick it up. We're gonna get through this one, buddy.
Got him.
Alright. Done deal, bud. Good job.
Thanks, bud.
And then when some full fish later, it's in the boat.
We're good.
I'm
See,
keeping my mind
one
on
of the
you
hooks we
connected.
were using didn't have a barb on it. So we'd hook them, and we'd get them about halfway in, and we'd lose them. And so we're doing this for like 5 or 6 fish.
Until you realize it.
And then Doug got to looking at the hook. Hey, it doesn't have a barb on it. And then so he's got to go to the woods for a minute. So we catch this one great big hog. Mark won't grab him, pull him up on the shore. He's in the weeds at our feet.
What's your story on that one?
The weeds were really thick. Yeah. There's rattlesnakes in there.
I knew the second I left you guys pull one up into the grass and then kind of mess with it and you slide back down. I knew that shit was going to happen. Whatever, done deal.
That was fun.
All right.
Oh!
Yeah! Oh!
That ain't good. Yeah. That one was just tough loss down here.
How was that coming in this morning, guys? Pretty crazy.
That was a great ride.
I tell you, I didn't think we were going fishing. I thought we were going to have to go back, wait, and then we get out at 11. You know, it happens.
That's when you hit me into weather.
Tom got us in though.